Most of us know that we need to deposit money in our bank account so that when we pay our bills, we have enough money available, plus maybe a little more. An emotional bank account is just like this. Hi, I'm Amanda, co-founder of Retune.Life, and we run workshops to help couples reconnect, as well as individual and couple relationship coaching. For relationships to flourish, we need to have enough positive emotions in our bank account to balance out the times when negative emotions come between us. Trust is important between people in relationships. You are sharing yourself, your wants, your desires, your dreams, your love. So you need to know that your partner is there for you. Essentially, I'm referring to your trust bank. We need to have many positive emotional deposits that are investments into a strong and healthy relationship. The deposits are a huge collection of little things. It's expressions of appreciation and gratitude where we feel seen, heard, and loved. It's the way they express their appreciation of you. It's expressed kindness and consideration. It's helping around the house, as we both contribute to the mess after all. It's the thoughtful gifts and gestures. It's the loving touch. Where your positive deposits are high and consistent, you'll weather the storms better, and at times, the tough moments can deepen your connection. Acknowledging where compromise can meet most of what you want anyway, as you share a lot of the same values and support each other's goals. Disagreements, arguments, not keeping to your word, missed bids for your attention, emotional bids that I will explore in a future episode. Or worse, ignoring bids for your attention are withdrawals from your trust bank. Often the unconscious subtext in arguments is, do you have my back? Are we in this together? Do I feel you care about me? Research from the Gottman Institute shows that a 5-to-1 ratio of positive to negative emotions is the make or break in a relationship. For every negative withdrawal from your trust bank, you need to make 5 deposits to break even. This is indeed very useful to know. You can navigate the healing process between you with mindfully contributing to positive behavior and actions towards each other. What the Gottman Institute refers to as moving towards. Is your relationship unbalanced? Observe your interactions this week. For every negative interaction that happens, are there more positive ones? If not, take it upon yourself to create more positive interactions in your relationship. How are you showing up in your relationship? Can you see where it's the simple things in life that can make all the difference? I hope you found this interesting and helpful, and why we need to be making regular deposits into our emotional bank account. Please join me in my next episode, as it is in episode 11 where I explore emotional bids. They are important signals, and the weight of an emotional bid depends on how full your trust bank is. If improving your relationship is something you'd like to explore, you can reach out to me here via personal message or via the Retune.Life website. Bye for now.